Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply vitamin E oil on your face. First, ensure your skin is clean and dry. Begin by washing your face with a mild cleanser to remove any makeup or impurities. After cleansing, gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel, avoiding any harsh rubbing. It is always wise to perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area of your skin to check for any sensitivities before full application. Now, let's apply the oil. Start by dispensing a small amount, typically 2 to 3 drops, into the palm of your hand. Gently rub your fingertips together to warm the oil slightly. This helps with absorption. Then, using light, upward circular motions, gently massage the vitamin E oil onto your face and neck. Pay extra attention to areas that feel particularly dry or show signs of fine lines. For the best results, consider applying vitamin E oil in the evening, making it a part of your nighttime skincare routine. This allows the oil to work its magic overnight without interference from makeup or sun exposure. Aim to use it 2 to 3 times per week. You can also mix a few drops with your favorite moisturizer to help it spread more evenly and enhance hydration. Vitamin E oil offers wonderful benefits, including powerful antioxidant properties that protect your skin from environmental stressors. It is also known for its deep hydrating qualities, which can help improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of dryness. Remember, if you experience any irritation, redness, or discomfort after applying, it is best to discontinue use and consult with a skincare professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.